trapped in my mind, can't get over you. I can't let go of you. I'm trying to fight this love I have for you. My heart it beats for you, baby. But how do you?
What's going on, guys? So this is one of those vlogs where I'm just gonna carry my camera around and be filming as I go through the day. So probably today I'm just gonna like get myself together, because since this COVID-19 pandemic started, it's been crazy, man. You know what I mean? I haven't been able to do anything, so I need to obviously get my lid fixed. And part of the plan is to give her a wash today, and I'm gonna pass through OK Mart to get a few things for the house and for her as well. And yeah, it's just gonna be crazy, man. So I'm just gonna carry the camera around. Hope you guys will enjoy watching this. As usual, if you do, don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's probably, I don't know, see. And don't forget to like, comment, and you know, let's get this shit popping, you know. So I'm just gonna be driving now, and I'll probably fasten my camera in the back seat or something so that you guys can see. And yeah, let's get this cracking.
So how do you do it?
I haven't actually used this car in almost like a week, so it's very stiff. I can feel it. So I just got to the barbers, and apparently he's not there. I just thought maybe I would surprise him, but unfortunately I think I had to make an appointment first. So I'm gonna have to call this guy and find out if he's coming in today. ShyEden. Abana ndiri paoffice pako ukuvhura here nhasi. Uri mukati? Alright, sorry, kandiwe. Ndiri padoor. Ndiri padoor. Alright. Right, so appointment set. Let me go get this quiff chopped, and I'll be back in a second. I'll probably carry the camera for that as well. Here, let me do that.
How did you do it? Still not over you. I'm still not over you. I'm still not over you. How did you do it? Still not over you. I'm still not over you. I'm still not over you.
Iyo, ati mepo dziri kuri. Imepo iri kana kusaronga. Woza wanaona ndinoblame masaka nipane ngasiro.
What is the usage to the square of rectangle motor?
I don't want to.
You need a motor.
You need more than quickly.
What I say class can also super for the chamber do a class.
Yeah, those are no guarantees. Nepo, Ziripo, but I'm gonna go doubt it. Nepo basically. Was no what you for life is just made out of good or bad decision. Good decisions, good living. Bad decisions, bad living. Check it, do for me life you and a banana or no change.
You don't have some petrol is and I'm taking a petrol in my US, putting the cambridge in the motor.
And do one wonderful.
What's the reason you use reparation?
I believe people want to portray life is silly or not to the community.
Right.
And yet, no, so one married to me, there's a afford that. Then what I come back to reality, all that is major. So apa uneka image kawakaisa to the good society nothing plaza machi yeah pakutozotsaya kumita mastandard dzeya wakasita
nekuma maintain
ndosvita pazvo java izvo zoti java ane mari nchichechi haana chaanacho mfesiyo mari anogona ane mari zvakeka pamari yake anayo inokwanisa kungoti mumba mugeto mimi kwete zvezvi serious zvimwe zvinhu zvaanoona ichi is a pastor some of the things zvaanobuda achibrega nazvo hazisi zvake
ndakatombozvinzwa kuti anenge anohaya mani
haya zvinhu zvechika kana zvechecha hayo sapaswa nzenda kwakati torai bhoti rimudai so aftershedra derano
I'm still not over you. I'm still not over you. How did you do it? Do it, 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 do it. How did you do it? Do it, 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 do it. How did you?
Right, so I'm in OK Mart. I think I'm gonna look for a blender, one simple one, because wait, this one is actually nice. Electric auto jug, so this is not what I'm looking for. A blender, and I'm also looking for a bowl for summer, and probably dog meal or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna record quietly to avoid drawing my attention to myself. Alright, so we're testing the blender, and I'm actually recording so that I don't forget what this guy tells me. Any instruction manual inside, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Okay, that's cool. Blender just got tested, and the guy practically says just don't overload and put hard stuff. So that's a tip for you guys. We go on to look for dog food. Probably gonna get one of these, probably in a different fragrance. Yeah, probably get one of these as well. It's going for $302. Alright, so last time I had Kennedy for summer, and there's a different thing altogether. Probably I'll get this one just to see how she reacts. Probably practically the same price, so I'm just gonna pick this one instead of Kennedy. Let's see how she likes this one. Here. Right, so I left you guys off when I got the blender and the dog meal and the shampoo. It was a very fairly priced blender, and like the guy was saying, for the price, it's actually not a very good one, but I just wanted something to use to like make milkshakes and all the basic stuff like smoothies and like, you know, I don't know, beer mixtures and shit. So yeah, just got to my brother's house and let's welcome the new guy. Buju. Okay, you see the tail there, that's my brother's dog. I wanted to show you guys. But we're gonna be washing these guys in about 10 minutes or so. So you'll definitely get a good view. But yeah, it's been a good day so far, very productive. Managed to do quite a lot of stuff actually. Not a lot, but it's enough. So yeah, let me see this guy, and we'll be washing these items. and I'll catch you guys up. The funny thing is the amount of people that I'm seeing in stores and like around and just driving around and just moving around is just crazy, man. You would not even think that there's a pandemic going on. Oh yeah, here's the guy. Hey, what's up, big guy? It's crashing my paint and shit. Alright, I'll catch you guys when I'm inside. So we're gonna have some backyard action with this. With my daughter. My brother just set up his chair so that I could just sit and watch and enjoy the view. So yeah, man, are you ready? Right, so we're using the Martons Dog Shampoo. I don't know this brand, it's my first time. If you guys know any more good brands that we can use, because I'm looking for something that also smells nice as well as does the job. So let's try this out. So I just put that in the bucket there and I'm gonna throw this out of my life.
Still not over. Not over. Still not over. Still not over. You're trapped in my mind, can't get over you. I can't let go of you. I'm trying to fight this love I have for you. My heart it beats for you, baby. But how do you? Boy, how do you?
I want to show you how it's vibrating. Right, so we just got done bathing the dog. After this I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna edit a few things. I've got a few clients that I have for like flyers and video editing and stuff, so I'm just gonna go to work and do a little bit of editing and also work on this video as well. The dog is clean, she's happy. We're gonna go home after this and try on some of that what you call it, we're gonna go home and try on some of that dog meal, the red seal thing. What does you think a dog meal here, red seal, guys, different from no taste? Okay. Saga. $5.
How did you do it? Still not over you. I'm still not over you. I'm still not over you.
So I've got 2 bananas, 1 orange, an apple, and plain yogurt. So yeah, let's get this cracking. 10 we done. So yeah, let me shift the camera so that I can properly see the process. Plain yogurt in there. Oh yeah, the guy at the store said that you start with like the soft stuff and then you get harder. You get to the more tense stuff. So just put on some bananas. Toss some bananas in there. Great. Toss the orange. The apples. Ready? Let's go. Right, so we're done. So yeah, I'll probably leave a link in the description for the things that I showed you today, if they are available on the internet, so that you guys can get. And this is my fresh cut. It's not looking bad at all. So yeah, man, it's been a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So yeah, I'm gonna sign the vlog off now, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Boy, how do you